And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance Tango bronze level routine to the count. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good, and now let's look at the same choreography, this time from another angle. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at the same choreography, this time in slow motion. So we start with progressive side step, continuing with walk on right foot, and progressive link, achieving promenade position. From here we dance natural promenade turn to rock turn. And we dance ending with 2 rock turns, one turning to right, another to left, and back corte finish. Now we dance 2 forward walks and continue with very basic open reverse turn with lady outside and close finish. Very good. Let's look again, this time from another direction. So we take Tango closed hold and start with progressive side step, then forward walk and progressive link, achieving promenade position. Then we dance natural promenade turn to rock turn and continue with another rock turning to left and back corte ending. Now we dance 2 walks and continue with open reverse turn with lady outside and closed finish. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.